You. You're just embarrassing him. You're just embarrassing yourself.
Okay, I understand. And, when you see Will again, can you tell him that I never want to talk to him again?
I'll give him the message.
Layla. 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 Layla.
Have fun with Gwen. You two deserve each other.
Gwen.
Oh, thanks, Will.
What did you say to Layla?
Nothing. I mean, I just told her the truth. You're a hero. She's a sidekick. She was holding you back.
What? Why would you do that? Layla's been my best friend since first grade.
Well, you've got new friends now. And I think that you need to figure out whether you want to hang with us or with those losers. Come on, let's go.
Oh, forget it. I'm not going anywhere with you. Not now, or not to homecoming. Might as well just find yourself a new date, Gwen.
You're dumping me? Whoa. Let's get something straight, okay? You do not dump me. Not the night before the dance.
Sorry, Gwen. I, just did. You're dumb. Yep, that's it. Everyone out! Party's over!
Don't stop on our account.
Your father and I fly to Europe for 2 hours and you throw a party?
Unbelievable. When I reach the count of 3, I want everyone out of this house! Son, I'm only going to ask you this.
Dad, I swear, I didn't plan this.
All right, it's good enough for me.
Steve, I have got half a mind not to let him go to homecoming.
It's fine, I'm not going anyway.
Whoa. Your mom said she had half a mind. Will, you have to go to the homecoming dance. We all have to, because we're introducing the world to the Stronghold 3. Greatest family of superheroes mankind has ever known.
Did something happen, Will?
I don't want to talk about it.
Well, we're going to talk about it because we promised Gwen we'd go to the dance. And when a stronghold makes a promise, son, that promise is kept.
I promise you, Dad, I'm not going. Hello? Layla? Pick up, Layla. Pick up. All right, fine, don't pick up. It's me. I'm going to the Paper Lantern. And if you get this message, meet me there, okay?
You said that?
True story.
You're so funny.
I love life. Thanks, Boom, for inviting me. You like this? Bring it in.
Layla, just pick up. Okay, in case you didn't get my earlier messages, I'm at the Paper Lantern, and I...
What are you doing here?
I'm, looking for Layla. Do you know where she is?
How should I know?
I don't know. You're taking her to homecoming.
Oh, yeah, right.
Well, you don't have to worry about me ruining your night.
And why is that?
Because I'm not going.
Well, that sucks. Because we're only going together to make you jealous.
Huh?
Dude, you're so stupid. She's totally into you.
After tonight, I wouldn't be surprised if Layla or any of the other guys ever want to talk to me again.
Yeah. You must have been a real jerk. It doesn't matter what I do. I can't get him to stop talking to me.
Thanks.
Hey, you want to dance?
No.
Me neither. look like you could use a drink.
No thanks.
Oh, don't worry. The bubbles are just ginger ale.
Oops.
The guys at this school are jerks.
Thanks a lot.
I thought you weren't going to rent a tux.
It's my dad's. There's not much use for it in the solitary.
Cheese cube?
We're taking off now, hon. Still time to change your mind and come with us.
Nah, I don't think so. Hey, Mom, you ever feel like you messed something up so bad that you'll never be able to fix it?
People make mistakes, Will. That's what high school's about. Heck, that's what life's about. The key is to learn from them.
I hope my friends see it that way.
Someone is a true friend, you'd be surprised at how understanding they can be.
Thanks.
Do me a favor, put this away from me. I caught your father trying to sneak it out under his cape. He's convinced that everyone at homecoming wants to reminisce with him.
I bet. Will do.
Love ya.
Have fun. That's weird. Gwen? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, no. No. I gotta get this guy high.
Josie, wait. We can't unveil the Stronghold 3 without Will. It's just not the same.
Maybe we should fly home.
And we really don't need another award.
Welcome, Commander and Jetstream. Good evening. First, a quick announcement. The owner of the blue cold fusion-powered jetpack, you left your lights on.
Sorry. Excuse me. Sorry.
And now, please help me welcome the head of the homecoming committee, the girl who made all this possible, Gwen Grayson.
Thank you, Principal Powers. And a very special thank you goes to our guests of honor and the recipients of our first ever Hero of the Year award, the Commander and Jetstream. And to mark this occasion, we planned a special tribute to the most powerful super being ever to walk the halls of Sky High.
Me!
Royal Pain is a girl.
Yes, I'm a girl, you idiot. How I ever lost to a fool like you, I'll never know. Now prepare to be pacified.
Do you honestly think you can kill me with that little toy gun of yours?
My dear Commander, who said anything about killing you?